Hello everyone, my name is Arturo Romero, and in this video I will demonstrate our final project part 1. Our project is called Movie Library API. It is a REST API that allows users to manage movies information. For this part of the project, we implemented complete Crud operation for our first two collections, movies and actors. I will also show that the API is deployed on render and that the Swagger documentation is available online. First, here is our GitHub repository where the project is stored. The project follows the MVC architecture with separate folders for controllers, models, routers, and configuration files. All of our code is stored here, and sensitive information such as environment variables is not included in the repository. Now I open the deployed application on render. The API documentation is available as the API docs endpoints. The API documentation is available. Here we can see all available endpoints for both collections, and Swagger allows us to test every request directly from the browser. I'll begin with the movies collection. First, I execute a GET request to retrieve all movies currently stored in the database. The response is successful. The code is 200. Next, I create a new move using the post endpoint. Title here. For example, title in section 5. Execute code 201. After the move is created successful, I copy the ID. I run the GET request again to confirm the new movie has been added to the database. In the get by ID, the response is successful. Now I'll update this move using the put endpoint. Okay, now I use the ID and in section 5, our in section 6. Execute and the response, the title is updated. And finally, I delete the move using the delete endpoint. Execute and the response is successful with the code 204. The confirm deletion, I execute another GET request and verify the move no longer exists in database. And now I execute again the same ID and the code is 404. Error response status is a message move not found. Now I'll demonstrate the same crew operation for the actors collections. Actors trial, execute, get all actors in the database store. Next, I create a new actor in Algo DiCaprio Romero. Execute, the response is successful. I copy the ID and after that I retrace the list again to verify the actor has been successfully added in the response. It is successful. First name Leonardo, last name Romero. Now I update information with a food endpoint. Uh, Romero execute the the record is updated and I execute again the same ID and get by ID. The last name is updated and finally I delete the actor. Try out, execute, and the response is successful. And then finally I delete the actor and confirm that has been removed from the database. And this concludes the demonstration of our final project part 1. As shown in this video, the application is successfully deployed on the render. The software documentation is available online, and both collections implement complete Crud functionality and with persistent database updates. Thank you very much for watching.